Should we do the dramatic reveal and come around the far side? All right, I haven't taken a look myself. I haven't stepped back. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That looks good. So now we just got to check and make sure there's no clearance issues. Oh, a little bit of rubbing on there. All right, let's see how bad this is rubbing here. So what we just finished throwing on here are the Venom Power SwampThing MT tires. These guys are a 35 by 12.5 on a 18 by 10 inch rim. Honestly, these things look way better in person than they do in pictures. Sidewall cleats are nice and aggressive, deep tread. And the reason I went with these tires is honestly partly to test them and partly because of the price. They're half the price of a BFG or a Nitto or any of those tires, high-end ones. So I thought, let's test them out. How do they do on the highway? How do they do on the trails? How do they handle? How do they sound? All that kind of stuff. So I'll do a little review here and there, let you know how they're doing, how they're wearing. Little sneak peek for the next video there. But honestly, looks-wise, I'm liking it.